Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2016 Jeep Grand Cherokee Altitude. Coming in this nice salmon white coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.2-liter engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we do have mud flaps on the rear. You got a nice dual exhaust, tow hitch of course, backup camera, nice little roof spoiler, as well as roof racks above. And moving to the front, we do have heated door mirrors, mud flaps on the front as well. We do have a license plate bracket and that nice Jeep grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see we do have plenty of cargo space for whatever you need. We do have little hooks all around the back, cargo cubbies, 12-volt outlet, Jeep logo right there, little hooks. Lifting this up, you do get fair bit of storage with your full-size spare tire as well. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We do have this nice black textured cloth interior with some gray accents. Plenty of door space in the back. You got your own fans back here. As well as if you don't need that extra person in the back, this does fold out for 2 cup holders and some arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have manual seats with the same gray and black cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, and you have your lights just right there. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 47,819 kilometers. We do have a nice leather-wrapped steering wheel. You have your cruise control on your right-hand side, phone, voice, and me. And you also have your toggle for your screen up here, which you can go through. Oop. Let me just go back real quick. Oop. Your digital speedometer, vehicle info, such as your coolant, battery voltage, so on and so forth, fuel economy, trip info, stop start, what music channel you're currently on, what messages you currently have, screen setup, and so on and so forth. And over here you have your nice leather-wrapped gear shift, parking brake cup holders, nice little storage cubby. Got a fair bit of storage above, and you can lift this up as well for more storage below with the USB and a 12-volt. You do have your select terrain, which is auto, snow, sport, or sand, or mud. We have an SD card, USB, aux, 12-volt, and a little storage cubby there. You have your climate controls, tune, browse, volume, screen off, traction, auto stop, auto start, and back for your main screen up here, which you do have radio, media. You have your heated seats and steering wheel, phone, compass, your climate, which you can control from here or down there, whatever you prefer. More, so you have your outside temp, clock, other settings, your media. We do have Sirius XM capabilities. Please. Okay, apparently not. And you do have some storage above as well, and storage in the glove compartment. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is KE31105A, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.